Good morning. Yesterday I picked up this nice head of cilantro, organic cilantro at Whole Foods Market in Paramus, New Jersey, near where I live, and it was half price, 99 cents instead of $1.99. And now I'm just going to chop it up and leave it in the container in the refrigerator and use it for omelets. Sprinkle some over pasta. Cilantro isn't an Italian herb, but it's just one of those herbs that have a universal appeal. So I used to discard the stems, but then I was watching a cooking competition where the competing chefs agreed that there's a lot of flavor in the stems, so now I make sure to chop up the stems, and you can actually just eat this like it is. It's like a nice breath refresher. Okay, so got that chopped up. I have some leftover quinoa in the refrigerator with organic tomatoes, organic chickpeas. So before heating that up, I could always put some delicious cilantro on top of it. Enjoy.